Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video, I would like to inform you that latest version of Business Central, which is BC24, is launched by the Microsoft, and now we can use this uh, to uh, to get ourselves acquainted with the new features which are released with this version. So, for example, if you are using Business Central Cloud version, then for all the new customers out there, you can, if you purchase the license of the Business Central for the first time, you will get the version 24 out of the box. And if let's say you are an existing customer, so for example, you can go to the admin center. I mean, the global administrators can go to the admin center, and from there you can see that for your production environment, if this 24 version is available to update. If it is available, you can go for the update. If currently it is not there, then no worry at all. It will be available soon. But in case you want to use it, so you can click on the new button and start your testing and start learning the new features of this PC24. For that, you can create a new sandbox environment by clicking on new button. And as you can see, my second sandbox environment is currently running in the PC24 version. So here we just have to type the name. Okay, the sandbox environment we have to select. We can select, let's say, the localization, and then you can see the latest stable version which is showing up for me is 24. You just click on create button and it will create an environment just like you can see here in my list. Now, uh, as you can see from here, I am currently using this sandbox environment. And as soon as you open the web client for the first time, BC24, you will see that this icon, Copilot icon, right out of the box. Just click on it, and now you can see that it is a similar kind of an experience if you are a Windows user, and you can see here as well. This is like Copilot Chat window through which we can ask questions right away, and it will give us answers accordingly. But this Copilot Chat window is very special because here it will give you the information about your data, which is a part of your database, right? So it becomes super easy for all the users that they just have to type the query in the chat window, and it will prepare the data accordingly for you. So, for example, right now, let's say it is giving me this option that it is not active. So for that, if I let me refresh, uh, I was playing with some settings which I will explain you. So that's why right now it was showing up that that feature is not available. But let's see once it opens up. Okay, meanwhile it is opening up. As I told you that 24 is available for the sandbox cloud environment as well. But if you're not the cloud user, then even if I open this PowerShell, here as you can see that you can create a Docker environment also, which is also giving you the 24 version only, the latest version. And you can create a Docker environment, and then on your local system, you can start using the 24 version. Okay, now it opens up, and if I click on it, this icon, and now it is starting, as you can see. Okay, so right now I also don't know much about it, that what best prompts are available, which I have to pass. But if you are a new user, just like me, for this feature, you can see that it is giving us, or it is guiding us, that what type of prompts I can pass here, and it will give me the results accordingly. So, for example, it is telling me that if I want to find something, I can use a lookup word and then type a question. If I want to understand something, I can write down like help me understand, or how do I, like these type of phrases I can pass. And as you can see that it is giving me some complete prompts, like show the latest invoices, or how do I release a sales order. Like if I ask this question, it will give me certain steps, and Along with that, you can see this button is coming up here, which is called View Prompt. And if I click on this View Prompt, uh, again, it is giving me certain options which I can use, like look up purchase invoice number, show the latest sales invoices for the customer, or if I want to go to any particular page, or do we have any items in the stock under this particular price? So I can ask these type of questions. Again, if you see that, explain the field name on this page, help me understand this process, right? I can pass this question. I can see this guide option as well, and you can see. So if you start asking these questions, you will get yourself acquainted with what type of prompts, what type of best prompts I can give to the Copilot, and then it will start giving me the answers. Okay, so as you can see, that first answer I've already got. And let's say if I want to ask that, give me the list of the customers where, let's say, balance is greater than 10,000, right? So it will give me the list, or in what way you can see it out here. So as I told you that to make the best use of this Copilot chat window, start learning by whatever these options are available. Type those questions accordingly, and then you will become habitual of what type of commands you need to pass. Okay, as you can see that I've already got the answer. Along with this Copilot chat, if you open other pages as well, you will find out that this Copilot icon is available almost in every page. But this Copilot is not something which is similar to this what you are seeing here. So, for example, if I click on this show in page, you can see that this is button is kind of a showing up for me. And if I click on this analyze list, then it is asking me that I can write down something, and on the basis of that, it will give me or create a kind of analysis which I believe you are using it already or you know about it, right? So it will create that analysis just like I am showing up you here. Okay, I can make the use of it. I can uh, do sum, average, max, min, any top type of data analysis I can prepare in this analysis section. But here I'm doing manually. But if I make the use of this Copilot, I just have to give the correct prompt, and it will create a complete analysis for me. And not only for the customer page, but it is available almost for all the page. So for example, if I go to the vendor, it is available there. Okay, here it is. If I go to the extension management page, for example, it is available there as well, right? Now, as you know that this Copilot icon is available at multiple places. So is there any setup which I need to perform, which I need to do in order to make the use of this feature? So yes, there is a page called Copilot and AI capabilities. If you come here, you can see that it has two sections. One section is called production ready previews, and second section is generally available. So this marketing text suggestion feature is not new but available in the previous version as well. So now it is generally available. I can use it very well. However, these features are still in the preview mode, but it is not like that you cannot use them. You can use them. And if you see here, Microsoft is giving us this option to activate and deactivate as well. Okay, so if you see this features, this chat feature is nothing but this one. So if I deactivate this, then let's say if I don't want to use it, I just click on OK, and then this feature will not be available. Uh, Let me go back, and I think let me refresh, because now I have deactivated that feature. So if I click on that, it will not be available for me. It will give me a message that this feature is not available, and if I want to activate it, I can go to that page, and it will give me the link of that page as well. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so if I click on this, so now you can see that, sorry, this Copilot capability is currently not activated. And the best thing is that it is giving me the link as well, that I can go to that page directly, and from there I can activate it. Now it is active. Just like that, analyze list. If I deactivate it, then the analyze list option or the Copilot icon on every page which I showed you, that will not, you will not be able to use. Okay, same like the other features. If you want to deactivate it, you can do so, but it's not like that all the users can do it, can make it active, can deactivate it. No, it has the right that only the global administrators can do the same. For example, this I have opened the Business Central with two users. Okay, you can see here that this is the second user, but it is not an administrator. So, for example, if I try to open this page called Copilot, I can see that what are the options available, but there is no such button available for me which through which I can activate or deactivate. So only the administrator has this right to where this button is available, right? And you cannot control it, like there is no toggle as such through which you can disable this icon or uh, make this icon available again. To know more about it, you can go to this particular page, and I will share this link in the description section. You can read more about it. Regarding the permissions part, what you can see from here that this Copilot capabilities offer the functionality intended for any user across your organization or for specific user roles. Most Copilot capabilities offer access control using permissions and permission set in the Business Central's permission management system, right? So it is controlled via permission sets. Then the following table lists the permissions required to use Copilot features provided by the Business Central. So for analysis assist feature of the Copilot, you need this permission. Okay, for bank account reconciliation, you need this feature. For chat, there are as such no permission sets are available, and you can activate that feature or deactivate that feature. It will be applicable then for all the users. Then for the marketing test suggestions, we have this permission, right? So there are multiple things available, and along with that, multiple links available for how to troubleshoot it, how to configure the other things, or how to learn more about this other things. For example, if I click on chat with Copilot, in this you will find more prompts which you can pass to, as you can see, this example prompt section. You can see about them, learn about them, play with them to understand more about it, right? So I will provide these two links in the description section, and then you can learn and start using this Copilot. Second feature which I don't want to share in this today's session, but we will see this in the coming video. Like for example, if you click on the settings icon, you can see this page scripting preview option is also available. This is also one of the very interesting features, so we will learn it in the second part. Till then, if you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.